Ah, the Seagull. A 39mm rose gold. Wait a second. What is that? Yes, this watch was shipped with whatever that is underneath the glass. A piece of yarn, a piece of string, a piece of blue something. When I first opened it, that was not there. It must have been like hidden on the edge of the case. And then as I wore it, I noticed this piece of blue was on the dial. And then it's now on the top of the glass. So, let's talk about product control. This watch is way more solid than the movement watch. This is a Timex Weekender. This is essentially an experiment watch. So this was like 40, I think 50 something because of this fancy strap online. I'm going to wear it to work. I want to just see how long this sucker can last. It's not a dive watch. It's not waterproof. It's on a leather strap. Yes, I'm wearing the leather strap, and it's already got some darker marks on the underneath there. Look at that strap already just starting to show wear. I'm genuinely curious to see how long this is going to last. I've had this watch for maybe a month. I'm not taking it off when I'm getting it wet, when I'm washing dishes. This is a cheap watch. I'm just genuinely curious, putting this watch through the paces, see how long it can last. So let's get back to what this video is really about. The Seagull Watch, reference number D2869SG. It's an automatic hand wind, $170 Chinese movement Seagull Watch with the rose gold finishing. It's a 20mm lug width with an open case back. It's kind of like an off-white, almost pearlesque dial, I would say. The date, month, 24-hour time, moon phase, in case anybody else is wondering. The movement, it looks really plain. I still find it fascinating. I love open case backs. It's an automatic ST16. Dome mineral crystal. I'm gonna be honest here, this watch lasts longer off the wrist, still ticking, than my Orient Bambino. So basically, it's not a chronograph, but these pushers up here, one is the date, or the week, and the other one sets the month, which now I pushed it, so I have to reset it. And then we got the moon phase here, and your basic time. Looks like the minute chapter ring on the edge. Pretty nice design, I would say. It's a 30 meter water resistance, which we all know means jack. And it comes on this burgundy crocodile style strap. It feels a little softer upon unboxing than the Orient strap, but I notice it's wearing a lot quicker. I haven't really worn this a lot, and look at that already. And that's it. That's the basic functions of this watch. It's really nice, it's really elegant looking, but like I said, I'm not really wearing this as a dress piece. I wear this with jeans and a t-shirt, as I do with all my other watches, because I like watches and I'm gonna wear watches, and this is a nice watch and I wanna wear it whenever. Also, I really like the case size. I like that it's 39mm. I think this is like the perfect size for me. Anyway, regardless of that piece of yarn that is underneath the case, I'll probably have that removed in the future. So that's it. That's it for my sort of semi-half review, half rant of whatever, of the Seagull Watch and my experiment Timex piece here. I don't know, I think I'm gonna have some discussions maybe. I'm not gonna keep reviewing watches on a consistent basis. I'd like to, but I'd like to talk about other stuff too. Stuff pertaining to watches, and maybe some other stuff that I'm into, such as this cool traveler's notebook. But I like to talk about it, and I'd like to talk about other stuff. So here's to that. and I'll see you in the next one.